Hey Collective, thank you for joining me. And they take what resonates, leave what does not. I'll be looking at your overall energies and what's surrounding you. Thank you to any new subscribers that have joined my channel. What's coming to the current moment for the general collective? Queen of Cups in reverse. This is someone who's cold. Okay, this is someone that doesn't have a. This is someone that's just very cold, malicious. Queen of Cups. Someone that's not in someone that just doesn't have emotions. See the water that represents emotions. So this could have been someone that didn't use their intuition when it came to you. This is someone that's very cold. Okay, very, very cold and calculating. Okay. Water sign energy. Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Could be someone's mother. Nine of Swords. Someone's in regret. Someone could be having nightmares. Someone could feel like their house is haunted. Your ancestors could be haunting someone. Someone could be having nightmares. Okay, waking up sweating from the nightmares. You see this sweat there? See the sweat there? They could be dreaming that they're gonna get attacked. Okay. Yeah, this person looks worried. Someone's been haunted by whatever they have done. In regret, this is what nightmares are made of. If someone tried to send you something or have you having nightmares, I'm picking up this cold individual. It's going back to them. These are people in the community or in your community, okay? There could be some type of celebration for some of you. I don't know if there's a married couple involved or there's going to be a marriage, okay? Ace of Wands. Maybe a fire someone's connected to this cold-hearted water sign. Ace of Wands, new adventure. The Sun. It's about children. Something's been exposed, something's been enlightened about children. Or it could be something to do with your childhood, okay? Someone could be part of a cult, okay, with that red flag. But the Sun's the most positive card in the deck. Yeah. The Sun represents power, energy. Something to do with twins, maybe boys, okay? Something to do with children in the community, okay? Five of Cups, missed opportunity. Yeah, I told you someone's part of a cult with that black coat on, okay? Someone could be drowning in their emotions, or they wanted someone drowning in their emotions, okay? Something's a missed opportunity. Someone may have been, yeah, something could be a missed opportunity. Okay, in regards to something to do with a drink, eating or drinking, or someone wanted to put something in someone's food, or that's what their plan was, a missed opportunity. Maybe if you're someone that stopped drinking, okay, they were planning on maybe poisoning you, okay, but something's a missed opportunity. That green stuff, it reminds me of poison, something poisonous, okay? I don't know, they could have been doing some blood sacrifices with that red as well. Eight of Wands. Fast travel communication, back and forth communication. Yeah, these karmics are going through karma. And they're angry, okay? So whatever they're sending, I mean, maybe, yeah, these karmics, Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Karma for these karmics. This cycle's closed out, you're protected. Oh wow, 5 of Swords, 10 of Swords. Ultimate betrayal, someone may have passed over, or there may be a passing of someone. Someone may have passed over. Maybe there's a group here. Yeah. 10 of Swords. Betrayal. So someone here could have been involved in backstabbing another, and someone could pass over. I mean, someone that's in a cult. Okay. Maybe that energy's getting sent back to them. Yeah. Someone's not independent and self-sufficient. Okay. Someone isn't independent here. Someone's codependent. But someone's very cold as well. Yeah, someone's gained enlightenment about a water sign. About this cold-hearted Queen of Cups in reverse. The Lovers. Yeah, this snake offered the apple. You know, it's like the Adam and Eve. They shouldn't take a bite from that forbidden fruit. So there could have been a fire sign that took a bite from a forbidden fruit. The serpent, okay? This is the angel of truth. Queen of Swords. This is someone that's gone through, with the butterfly, some type of transformation. Okay? Someone's guides could be birds. Or your guides could be birds. Queen of Swords. This is someone that, yeah, butterflies represent transformation. Truth being told. Truth being spoken. Okay? This serpent casted this fire sign. Picking up a Gemini. Past, because the sword, Gemini energy. There was some illusion. Someone was casted an illusion. 10 of Pentacles. Someone could be a part of a higher organisation, a cult, a higher organisation, some type of organisation. These people could be atheists. They don't believe in no God. Okay? They're dark energies. They could be, they're a cult. Something very sinister about this. 10 of Pentacles. Some wealth could be returned. This is about family. So you could have had someone that was either in the military, a godfather, grandfather, someone that was maybe high ranked, someone where they kept this information from you. You may have come from a well-to-do family, or something was left for you, a home and some type of treasure or some type of inheritance. Okay? An estate. Could have been left an estate. So I'm picking up something about authority. Authority. Yeah, someone tried to set a trap. Okay? And they were waiting in the background for you to fall into it, okay? They tried to set a trap, all right? So that you don't get what's rightfully yours. Queen of Pentacles. I mean, this there by the chair, it looks like kind of a half a frog, but it looks like a demon, to be honest. Look at it. It looks like it's got like three toes. It's got some long neck. This could be someone that's part of this. Okay? These people are very, very dark. Evil people. All they care about is money. I mean, she's looking at herself in that pentacle, you see? Earth sign energy, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, masculine or feminine? Oh, the Tower. Yeah, something backfired. Something explode. There could have been a fire, could have been an explosion. Something shocking happens. Maybe people were blown out the window. I don't know. These were people that you know, something shocking was said or revealed, and they still peoples. You see how the crown's there? I don't know. I mean, the crown and authority. I mean, that man there could be something to do with, I don't know. Maybe you come from a royal background. Do you understand? And they kept you hidden. You may come from a royal background in some type of way, some type of authority or some royal background or something to do with royalty, because that you know, some estate was left for you. You know, your grandfather could have been a lord something that owned some type of estate. Eagle. Eagles is, you know, they look over. Someone could be watching you from a distance. The eagles in regards to, you know, like some people have eagles and they train eagles and they put notes. Especially back in the olden days, they used to use the eagles as messengers and send them out, and then, you know, they would land to wherever they went to and they would get the message and they'll put another note back in there and send the eagle back, information carrier, okay? Or this is someone that's flying high that gets information. Someone's flying high, someone's got a bird's eye view, okay? There's a fire sign that's watching you from a distance or was trying to gather some information, all right? Or has people in the community to go back and forth with information, or someone was watching you from a distance, all right? In the community. Six of Cups. Yeah, I'm picking up you've left an estate. See, that could be a godfather, grandfather, father. Could be anyone, okay? You see there? Some type of estate was left for you. I mean, look at that, what he's wearing. You know, you may come from some, I don't know, there could be some type of lord in your family, or, you know, you come from some type of royal background, or you've got some royal connection, or your family is very rich, or you come from a very rich family, and, you know, they kept this hidden, and they didn't want you getting this, and they tried everything to get you killed off. And maybe as a child, you know, something was left for you. You was gifted and chosen, and they've tried to get rid of you from when you were a child. I don't know. Okay, maybe you're a twin, or maybe you were pregnant with twins, or you know what? I want to say something. Many years ago, yeah, I met a guy, and I got pregnant, but I lost. I had twins. They said it was twins, and there's no twins in my family. So there's something about twins, because usually twins would be in your bloodline, and there's absolutely no twins in my family, or the so-called family. Yeah, no twins at all. I mean, you may be a twin. You may have a twin brother. You may have a twin sister. Okay, and you think that you're just the only child. You know, there may be a twin. All right, but definitely something was left for you. Yeah, you was left out. I mean, this is what you come from. This is what's yours. And this is how you're living. In poverty. So these people have been living off your wealth. Okay? Earth sign energy. Living off your wealth while she's left out in the cold. Broke, busted, they wanted you looking disgusting. I mean, look at you, that person in rags. Or maybe this is an earth sign and their family, or some people that have been left out in the cold, or maybe they've been told that they've got to move out of this property, this estate. Okay? And I'm hearing from riches to rags, and for some of you, from rags to riches, because it's rightfully yours. This could have been someone's mother, sister, cousin, whatever. All right? Yeah. You know, you could be someone as well that, you know, you've helped the homeless out, or you're the type of energy that would, or... I mean, the scales there, you could be Libra masculine or feminine. You know, some of these energies, they look down on homeless people, and you should never, because you never know who it is that you've come across. Do you understand? And this is how you can get tested in life. You know, you may see an old man, you think, oh, look at him, tramp. You don't know who that is. You don't know who that is. You see, things, we're tested in life. I think you're the type of person where these energies took this or stole this or done something to try to get rid of you, because they were desperate to keep what wasn't theirs, because all they cared about was money. Like, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Like, you know, it's not even a mirror, but she's got that coin so polished up that maybe she's got it as a mirror. But this is the person that was involved in, you know, stealing your money. Or could have been a sister, aunt, cousin, family. It could have been a fake family that you was put with. You're the type of person, if you had this type of wealth, you would most probably open up places for homeless. Do you understand? You know? These type of energies wouldn't. They would look down on these energies. They would laugh at them, you know, walk past them, spit at them, throw them the crust. That's these type of energies. All they care about is their self. All right. See, because they're cold-hearted, right? No emotions for no one. Cold-hearted. You're the opposite to these people. They haven't got an inch of kindness in their spirit, should I say. The Emperor. This could be a boss, a father figure, a family man, someone's father, someone that's part of some type of organisation, an older man. Someone that has structure, routine, disciplines. Now, the Emperor is someone that is a protector and provider, okay? I mean, that could be your energy or another's. You could have fire in your placement, or someone wants to protect you and provide for you. Maybe this person has received something back or has helped you receive something back. Or there's someone protecting you, provider. Someone wants to be your provider, or someone wants to help you. The Magician. So you could be a manifestor. I mean, you work with the divine, with the bird there. So you're divine intervention. The divine gave you the tools and resources to work with, to find out hidden information. Yeah, all you kept having in your life was empty cups and people walking away from you. Just empty emotions. I mean, your mother could have been a water sign, and she had absolutely no emotions for you from when you were a child. Maybe you were gifted and talented as a child, and the mother didn't want to see you gifted and you know, some children, they've got gifts, and some parents, they're like, oh my God, my child's a little dancer, I've got to put them in a stage school, or my God, they're so good at acting, like, you know, I've got to put them in a stage school. Maybe you had another sibling and they wanted the other sibling. Maybe they've done that with another sibling. Maybe they put the other sibling in a stage school when it should have been you know, and they left you out. You were the gifted one. They tried to make the other one the gifted one, and that one wasn't. And yeah, this could have been a Taurus and a water sign. Okay? The water sign is a cold, malicious, cold-hearted, evil, wicked woman. And the sister, well, I mean, you know, all she cared about was money. And all you had coming towards you was empty cups. I'm picking up your mother was involved in this. Your family were definitely involved in this. I mean, this could be another Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, and they worked with your family. They tried to set traps for you, or, you know. This could be moving forward to calmer waters. Or someone could be looking to escape overseas. They don't want to be seen. Three of Swords in reverse. You're not dealing with no loss, grief, betrayal, because you're not around certain energies. Because through divine intervention, you've got to find out the truth. So your mother could have been, I'm picking up, your mother sold you to some type of cult, or some, I mean, your mother may have, there could have been something that was done over you as a child. It's like they sold you to some type of cult, or allowed these people to do what they wanted to you as a child. Okay, I mean, some of these people could have been involved in, you know, some type of abuse, you know. Maybe some of you recall things that happened to you as a child. You know, your mother used to leave you or let men touch you or do things to you, and, you know, your mother is just wicked and evil. The Fool. You took a leap of faith and you went in a new direction. Someone also wanted you to fall, okay? Or someone may have thought that you were some type of fool, and you were like, yeah, well, okay. Until the time's right and I expose all your asses. Divine intervention. Yeah, the karmics, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, yeah? Information is out. The devil, yeah, they've got addictions. I'm telling you, as a child, they've done some type of witchcraft over you, all right? As a child, they put some curse on you. I'm telling you. You know, there could have been abuse as well. But these people, they're into some kinky, nasty stuff. And that's all I can say. Yeah? These people are just... The alarm's going off. These people are into some real dark shit. And all you've got to do is just have a look at the picture and say no more. They may have even tried to have poisoned you as a child. Or they may have put things in your food and drink. The Empress, you could be a mother figure. You may live near trees, a forest. There's someone who's very loving. You know, you're a loving mother. But they wanted you to turn out wicked and evil just like them. Three of Cups, there's no celebration. There's no celebration with them now. A Gemini come together with a Aquarius, the Hermit. The Hermit upright is, see the serpent, the snake's been caught, the Hermit. So some information's out, or someone's out, or you're not isolated, you're not stuck in the home like, you know, having nightmares. This is what nightmares are made of, you know. But this energy is going back to someone else. And someone else could be freaking out in a home where they can't stay there, and they could be, you know, dreaming really bad things that's going to happen to them. Temperance, you're an earth angel. Or you've got angels around you. Yeah. It's a spiritual warfare. See, this family, they most probably knew who you was from when you were born. And someone tried to swap destinies with your other sibling. So they could have been living off Queen of Wands. You could be someone that's very confident. You are a lone warrior. You've been through a lot. You've been through a lot of battles, okay? There could be someone around you that's protecting you. They now know the truth. They could be angry. All right? You've got your boundaries high. I mean, someone's got blood on their sleeves. There could have been a fight. Maybe there's Taurus and this fire sign. Maybe, you know, again, they could have gotten, could have been two of them. Fire sign and a Taurus I'm picking up. Or maybe these two are both on drugs with the devil. Maybe these two are both into some real nastiness. Maybe they're both, you know, doing one another, I don't know, whatever, but they're into some dark shit, these two. Now they're worried, and look how sunken in that person's face is, like they've been on some crack or something. They've got a crack face. Yeah, this person looks weary. Knight of Swords, yeah. Someone could have been... Someone could have been a knight in shining armour for you, protecting you. Someone was angry here, okay? Someone could have been speaking ill about you and someone switched on another. Don't say that. There could have been a fight, okay? Look, Ten of Cups, something to do with your family. Look, there's your granddad again. You see in the background. See there, there. It could be, you know, granddad could have left you something at home. You had older siblings. There's your granddad again. Granddad or godfather. Yeah. There's your granddad again, there. 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 So something was left for you as a child, okay? Or you was put in some type of place, an estate. Okay, maybe it was left for you. Something to do with a higher organisation. You could have been put in some type of children's home or something far away as for protection. Strength. Okay, you've tamed the beast within, because some of you finding out this truth, you may have wanted to rush and, you know, you've tamed the anger, because some of you may have wanted to, you know, travel somewhere and get your own back, and you're like, nah, these karmics will get what's coming to them in due time. I'm not about to receive their karma. The Hierophant. So about a religious group. So about connecting with Akashic records. Something about some type of book, some hidden book. Something about a book, something hidden. Maybe they're shocked because they're like, well, this is hidden. How does that person know this information? Sacred knowledge, some book, something, information that's in the book that's a secret. This organisation's watching you. You could be a spiritual teacher, guru, healer, and only these organisations would know this secret. Where are you getting this information from? The divine. They may just see you as, they may have just thought you as some regular, smuggler person. You may have even thought you was, but they didn't want you receiving this sacred knowledge or knowing this knowledge or knowing who you are, but you know who you are. They try to block you. They try to block any love life. They just try to block everything, okay? Hoping you wouldn't see clearly. Divine Feminine. I mean, these people have gone, I mean, look, a lot of you already seen, you know what's going on. You could have angelic help. This could be Archangel Michael, your ancestors, the divine. Something about birds. You're highly protected. You have nothing to worry about. King of Swords. King of Swords knows some truth. Four of Swords about them wanting to lay you to rest. Or even planning to take you out. That's like coming for God himself, really, isn't it? Huh? You've got angelic help. Your divine feminine. I don't think they knew who they were messing with, did they, really? I think they know now. But this is definitely spiritual warfare. And you have no, well, put down there. I think you have no more powerful protection than angelic help and the divine himself. You may even have angels walking amongst you. Do you understand? That's what I'm saying about people. You never know who you're surrounded with. You know, you could be sitting next to an angel. And these people have could be an angel. Do you understand? And you know. Ace of Swords, truth and clarity. So you're definitely seeing things from a higher perspective. So definitely something about birds are your spirit guides. Some of you may have seen eagles, hawks, you know, in your past. Knight of Wands. Someone may have travelled to Egypt. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ten of Wands. Someone can't carry no more burdens, or someone's burdened by a situation that they have now found the truth out about. Someone can't carry these burdens no more. Laying burdens to rest. Or someone feels really bad. Someone's burdens. Or they just wanted to lay these burdens to rest. You've been freed from something. Divine Feminine. Some of you may have given up drinking. You're like, yeah, I don't trust the drinking no more. I'm not having people putting stuff in my drink and casting me illusions or getting me to act out a certain way. So you're like, yeah, I'm done with that. I don't know what's being put in that or mixed with that. You're like, it's all an illusion. Or you could have been kept keeping yourself in an illusion. You're like, yeah, I'm done with that now. Yeah. Or you're just done with emotions from fake-ass people. Judgment. Ooh. So, some people won't be reincarnated again. They won't be coming back again. I'm picking up this time when they pass over, they won't be reincarnated again because this is their judgment. There ain't no them coming back again. This is their judgment for what they've done to you. You know, because the judgment's also about rising up, okay? This is also about rebirth. So yeah, I'm definitely picking up King of Pentacles, Taurus energy, Capricorn energy. Or it could be, you know, it's something to do with you're grounded, or you've got earth in your placement, or someone rushed in to do something in regards to some money they didn't think, or they went to someone powerful to do something. I mean, look, we've got that estate in the background again. Someone wealthy here. Or someone was living off your wealth, or someone come with your family. They may have even have, you know, set up you. They may have even said that you passed away, you know. And you're like, well, I'm not. I'm still here. 2-1. Someone stuck at a crossroads. The Star. Could have an Aquarius that was in some competition. You could have Aquarius in your placement. You're healing. You could be part of a, you know, you could be a star seed, or yeah. This is like, you know, like Raiders of the Lost Ark. That's it. Where is it now? This is what I was trying to say the other day. Where's that card? One sec. You know when they went to, you know, like Raiders of the Lost Ark, when they went to raid the tombs, and it wasn't their treasure, and then when they raided the tombs, all these things come out, and some of them died, didn't they, for stealing the treasure because it wasn't theirs. So some of you could be getting returned back what is yours, rightfully yours. And maybe these people have now put a curse, where they tried to put a curse on you, the curse has gone back on them. Yeah. Scorpio. Maybe a Scorpio lost a child. That's sad. I mean, look, we have the Dark Priest there. See him laid out. And there's another energy there. And there's the Crown. Well, that could have been your godfather. And they got rid of your godfather. Scorpio energy. So it's like they tried to, I'm telling you, they tried to cause you your ending from when you was a child. Look, the mother's crying. The child looks, you know. This is sad. King of Cups. Someone's emotionally balanced, or this King of Cups, I don't know, something about pouring out emotions, or someone here just didn't have no emotions, I don't know. Page of Swords. You could have been guarded, vigilant, getting information because you knew there's illusions around you, or this could have been someone that was watching, gathering information and going back with information. I mean, you could have been guarded, giving information. It could have been three masculines that was, you know, helping you. But this Six of Cups, that's about your past, your childhood, teenagers, adulthood. But more, this is more your childhood. Page of Wands. Could be someone that walked away from you, or someone that's walked away from someone, or someone's got some information now, or someone wants to bring some information. Someone could be sad, or they're like, you know, they found out the truth. Someone wants to bring you some information. Justice, yeah, you could be getting justice. Well, these, I'm telling you, look, these same... I mean, he could have... I mean, look, they've got the same type of... That could be someone's family, I don't know, but it's something about authority or high organisation. People come against you, or, you know, authority could be anything. Social services, feds, courts, people that work in a court, people that abuse their positions, you know. Someone who had a brother that was a court clerk, do you understand? Or a sister was a court clerk, or maybe a judge, I don't know, a judge is passing judgment, or something's been made fair, the truth is out, something was hidden, the truth is out now. Someone could have lost their job, maybe they're begging for forgiveness, and, you know, you know, you do the time, you've got to do the crime. I mean, look, they've got a crown on, it's not even theirs. I mean, this could be going to Crown Court. Maybe this person was a judge. I don't know, you know. Then there's another judge that's taken over this case. Yeah, 7 of Wands, conflict. You had a group coming for you. You had to defend yourself, or you was at a higher, because you're at a higher, you know, you're higher than what these are. This one's thing's lower, so you got the better, you know, in regards to defending yourself. You defended yourself towards this group. Someone gathered information. Or some information got gathered. Yeah, something's been exposed. These people have been exposed, you know? Yeah, they really did plan to lay you to rest, basically. Disgusting. All for money. Taking your gift, huh? Maybe the same people that stole off you, maybe they're going to want a handout or help from you. You're like, wait a minute, didn't you try to get me taken out of here? Thank you for joining me.